At Hialeah Gardens Elementary, math looks a little different. It's all about numbers, strategy, and a game many families already love.
We partner with the Parent Academy, and we are providing a hands-on learning Dominoes program with parents, grandparents, and students. And let me tell you, math is as important as reading. So this is a great foundation. We're going over some skills, and they are having a blast.
For families like Miguel and Brian Rodriguez, it's become their favorite part of the week.
Every Wednesday morning, this is the only thing that we talk about. He would wake up telling me, Dad, it's Wednesday, it's time to go play Dominoes in the afternoon.
The event brings together math skills and Miami culture, combining learning with something familiar to almost every household.
Living in Hialeah Gardens, a Hispanic community, every student, I would say 99% of these students have a Domino set at home. So bring it to school, take it home, learn at school.
The home-school connection is so important. You know, it allows parents the opportunity to learn with their kids, play with their kids. It also allows them the opportunity to really get to know their teachers and see what the school environment is like.
I think it's also a great experience for us to do something together. We accomplished two things: being together, enjoying time with each other, but also learning.
And like any good game of dominoes, there's a little friendly competition at the table.
Because I can say the answers really fast.
He's way better than me multiplying in his head.
Miguel may have the speed, but his dad says the real win is spending time together.
They're always innovating or looking for new ways to make the student learn.
It is a great place to learn. We have a majority of programs. We have after-school activities, before-school activities, school day activities, night activities. Like, it is the place to be is Hialeah Gardens Elementary School.